Today I'm going to show you how you can change icons in Android. So let's start from opening the Google Play Store and look for the X Icon Changer app. Install it and open. Now just choose the app that you want to change the icon, like 2 icons for example. Select your new icon, like this with the moon, and click on OK.
Wiesz, że istnieje aplikacja, w której można zagrać.
Sorry about the app, sorry about the ad, so just click it. And now choose Add to Home Screen. I think we're done, so let's find this application. There is it, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.